In this lesson, we will take a look at how we can work with multiple AutoCAD drawings at the same time. First of all, if you want to switch between open drawings, all you have to do is select the appropriate File tab. If your drawings have paper space layouts, you can also navigate to those by hovering over the tab, then selecting the appropriate layout. If necessary, you can move to the Model tab by selecting it at the bottom of your screen. Sometimes it might be useful to see two drawings on your screen at the same time. For example, maybe I want to take measurements from one drawing and apply them to another. This can be done with the Tile Windows command. This is located on the View tab, in the Interface panel, and here you can see that we have the options to tile horizontally and vertically. I'll start with tile horizontally. As you can see, for these particular drawings, tiling horizontally was not the best view. You'll also see that the Start tab was displayed as well. While the Start tab cannot be closed, it can be minimized. If you minimize the Start tab, it will not show up the next time you tile windows. After minimizing the Start tab, I'm going to select Tile Vertically. As you can see, both windows are displayed side by side. The title bar of the active window shows up a little darker than the inactive window. To switch between drawings, just simply click in the drawing that you wish to work in. If you wish to return to the view of one drawing at a time, simply maximize the window of the drawing you wish to see. That concludes our look at working with multiple drawings in AutoCAD.